Hope you're having a great day so far. Welcome back to my second post today. Today is December 1st, Tuesday, and on this post, I'll be talking to you about the Ethereum price chart, diving right in and see what has changed since my last post here. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, let's see what exactly is going on in the Ethereum chart since the last time we spoke. Since the last time we spoke, I did say that on my bearish case, on the bullish case scenario, that I would like to look for a 3-day close above this Fibonacci retracement level right here at about $590. You guys can check out my post 2 days ago and see I exactly have mentioned that. However, we do have a 3-day candle close within the next 5 minutes. I would not consider this to be a solid close. So that is something I'll be keeping an eye out for, because there are a few bearish signs here. Okay, now the first bearish sign I'll be sharing with you, which is the same sign I have been talking about, is being cautious of the possible bearish divergence on the daily time frame, which I do see from that it has already formed since yesterday's daily candle close, and we are seeing that slight pullback right here. It does seem like we do have quite a bit of strong support here, though, on the daily time frame at about the $590 level. We're going to see how strong this support holds. Okay. Now, the next thing I also wanted to mention is bearish sign number 2, which we are probably going to get right now, because this 3-day candle is going to close within the next 4 minutes now. And if it does close this way, possible bearish divergence is apparent on the 3-day time frame. Now, these are my 2 bearish signs right now. However, let me point out one bullish sign, okay? The bullish sign is, okay, we had formed a double top right here, and it does not seem like we are exactly pulling back to the neckline and possibly breaking from this neckline just yet. So I would say the neckline is about $500, because I could actually get a trend line to connect about 3 wicks right here on the daily time frame. And if we actually do break down from that double top pattern right here, let me just get a very initial estimate of the breakdown target. Okay, the neckline being at about $500 approximately. That would take us approximately down to the next fib level right here, $400, about there. However, that is the bearish case scenario. Okay, that is still not out of the question yet. If the bulls actually show up, okay, as I'm seeing right now, because we're getting supported right here, and if the price action does not completely break down from this trend line right here that I have, we could be forming an ascending triangle instead. That is a very bullish setup, 63% chance of it breaking upwards. You guys can check the statistics on that. Now, this would really mean that the price action has to get held up by this downward trend line right here, and possibly by the daily 21 simple moving average again. If that does hold up, I could expect a measure target, a rough measure target right now, just based on what I'm seeing right now, at about $760, which is also in the range of the next fib level, the 0.5 fib level. Okay. Now, that is basically the evaluation of the current situation. I have basically also given the hint of what the bullish and bearish case scenarios are. The bullish case scenario would for the price action to hold up within this roughly an ascending triangle pattern that could be predicted. And if we actually stay within this ascending triangle pattern, I could expect a breakout percentage of about 63%. You guys can verify the statistic. And then if the price action does break out of this ascending triangle pattern, like I said, the measured target, which is theory only, it may or may not be reached, about $760 in that range. Again, yes, within that range. Now that is the bullish case scenario. What is the bearish case scenario? I have also talked about it just right now, which would be if this double top actually play out, and I would expect a breakdown to about $400. Okay. There are some bearish signs, like I said, that could be pointing to the bearish case scenario. So if the bulls don't show up, it could look like the price action could be breaking down. So something I'll be keeping my eye out on, and I'll be very cautious about. So this is my very short recap and follow up on Ethereum today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Agreements, disagreements, I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage to risk carefully. If you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.